Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we're gonna see what's Bluesky social media. It is a decentralized social media platform that aims to give users more control over their data and online experience. Here's a quick overview. Bluesky is a project initially backed by Twitter but has since become independent. It focuses on creating a decentralized social media network, meaning no single company owns or controls it. Instead, users and developers can shape the platform. It uses the Authenticated Transfer Protocol, or the AT protocol, which allows users to move their accounts and content across different platforms without losing followers or posts. You have full user control and open source developing, and you can focus on privacy and security. Bluesky is still in its early stages but has attracted attention for its innovative approach. It's seen as an alternative for those looking for more freedom in how they use social media. Would you like to know how to join Bluesky or explore benefits further? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.